Hey, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Saptarshi this side. So recently Majorette actually did a comeback in India, and all the major stores actually got stocks, and even the small gift shops or the toy shops that you see all around, they also had received new stocks. And this includes the normal main lines, the premium ones, the 5-pack editions, and this includes various models like there are Volkswagen 5 packs, the black edition 5 pack, and apart from that the premium ones. In under premium ones you'll have the racing pack, you'll have the normal main lines. So the MRP, starting MRP is 199 for the normal main lines for Majorette, and if you're going for the premium ones that will be 349. Now if you're going for the 5 pack edition set, this is the one. This is the black edition 5 pack set. This had costed me around 1599. So as you can see over here, so it is 1599, and this had just recently 1 week back had hit the stores. So you can grab one of them to your nearest toy shop, just inquire about them. Definitely they'll be having the stock of this. So let's uncard this model. This looks really good. This is my first 5 pack actually. I never had any 5 packs before. Let's see how this is. Awesome. So these are all, I guess, I'm feeling a little bit scared actually. So these are all actually attached from the bottom part, as you can see over here. And this one is complete matte finish. This one is also matte finish. These three are a shiny base over here. Let's see which one actually opens. This one is openable. Okay. Let's see about this one. Don't think the other one is openable. Alright, so let's start with this one. It has glass headlight. Tires are plastic. As you can see, I think it is plastic, doesn't feel like rubber. You see the engine details. The dashboard details are also good, because 1599 you paid for 5 cars. That's good price. This one is the favorite one. This one, I think the door opens. I think so. I'm not able to open it, but I think this thing opens up. Spoiler is also plastic over here, but behind, if you see, all the details are mentioned. Now Nismo is also mentioned over here. GTR is mentioned over here. Coming to this model, the logo you can see over here. Headlights are again glass. Okay, the dashboard details are good. Okay, so let's open this, guys. Okay, 5 models are there. So Audi, Nissan, Mercedes, another Mercedes, and Dodge. So these two have matte finish, as you can see, and some of them have opening parts. For example, the Brabus has opening part. Let's open it. So as you can see, this thing opens. The Nissan GTR 3 also has openable doors. Okay, but this thing is stuck. Okay, as you can see, this thing opens slightly, and these two are really good. Now the scale wise, if we talk scale wise, it also looks good. It has glass headlights. As you can see, the logos are properly printed on it. Over here the logo is actually a little bit twisted, but still it's fine because you are anyway paying 1599 and it's kind of justifiable. You are getting 5 models out of it. So the Dodge Challenger also looks really good. You see the SRT logo over here. The paint on the windshield and every other glass is in blue theme. This Mercedes AMG also, I guess, has openable parts. Yes, this one has openable parts. The Brabus, the hood actually opens for it. This one, the door opens. This one doesn't have any openable parts, I guess. No, this one doesn't have. So if you start from this model, the engine details, the dashboard all looks good. Over here also the dashboard and everything looks good along with the spoiler. Let's look at the back side. Headlights, the tail lights are actually painted. As you can see, all the tail lights are painted, but if you see the headlights, these are actually glass headlights. As you can see over here, these are all glass headlights. This one also is very small, but it's glass headlight again. The Dodge SRT also is glass headlight. Now the engine detail wise, I believe the engine details are pretty good compared to the price range that we are paying. Dashboard details also in every single car is really good. So if you are going for Majorette, you can definitely go and opt for this particular model. Some of them have openable parts. The Nissan, Mercedes Brabus, Mercedes AMG, and I believe, let's see, the Dodge has openable parts. Yes, so 1 2 3 4 4 of them, 4 of these have openable parts. This one has openable door, this one has openable door, this one has openable door, and this one has openable hood. The Audi R8 doesn't have any openable part as much as I can see, but these two have matte finish, really looks good. And the hood finish on the Nissan Nismo is really good. Now that's all, guys. So if you're opting for this particular model, definitely go for it. It's a very unique set, and I would suggest go for the 5-pack itself directly, and if you don't want, you can obviously split with your friends and all. But yes, if you look at the back side also, this one has an extra tire. The silencer details are also really good in all of the models, but sadly the tail lights are painted, but that's fine, it's completely fine. So it comes with this kind of a setting, this kind of a package, and it comes in this particular box. So current price for this models are 1599. If you go to certain stores, I believe they are selling it even at 1200 1300 at MRP, like discounted at MRP. Otherwise you can just go to the biggest toy shops. I don't want to take their names, but obviously you might be knowing them. You can go to those particular shops, and I hope this is not scammed. But yes, these are easily available in the market right now. This recently launched. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice day.